And yes, good morning, students. You can see on the screen the PDF of your chapter. You can use your book, otherwise, no problem. Here, uh, as we have started with the chapter, the enemy, and we read this part that he was very brave and adventurous from his childhood only. His father always motivated him for all these, and he wanted to make him a great personality or a great person in his life. That's why he usually had a great concern about his education, and he was sent to America in the age of 22, and then he came back at the age of 30. And before the death of his father, he was a great surgeon and a great scientist, and this was the only thing which his father wanted from him. So then we are told that he was not sent. Main point I am covering for the recapitulation so that you can have a link, that he was not sent with the troops, with the army, as it was told that the World War II was going on at that time, and he went to America for his education. Otherwise, he belongs to Japan. And when the army went, he was not sent abroad with the troops, because there were two reasons given to us. You must be clear about that. One, he was perfecting on a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. So he wanted to finish his discovery as a scientist. And the second reason was the general of that area was suffering from some problem and he might need an operation at any time. And he was taking the treatment from Dr. Sado. So he did not allow Dr. Sado to go along with the troops. Otherwise, he would find problem. He did not have belief in any other doctor, did not want to get the treatment from anyone else. These are the two reasons which are told to us that why he was not sent with the troops. Then we read about the atmosphere, the climate in front of their house, because his house was on the coast of the sea, and at the evening time there was mist or fog all around, and quickly his house was also wrapped with the fog. And then he would go into the room where his wife Hannah would be waiting for him with two children. Now come to the third paragraph of page 25. We left here, but at this moment the door opened. I hope you have got page 25, last passage. But at this moment the door opened and she looked out. And when he entered at the evening time in his home, the door opened, and she, here refers to his wife Hannah, she looked out. A dark blue woolen haroi over her kimono. She came to him affectionately. She was wearing a dark blue dress. Kimono is a Japanese dress, loose, long dress, which she was wearing on her other dress, just like an overcoat. She came to him affectionately and put her arm through his, as he stood, smiled, and said nothing. They just uh, exchange an expression of love to each other and did not say anything to anyone. He had met Hannah in America. Now we are going to be given the background, how they met and how they got married. That is explained to you in this next paragraph. He had met Hannah in America, but he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure she was Japanese. Now, we are told that when he was in America for his education, he met this girl, Hannah, and he did not immediately fell in love with that girl till he got sure about this, that she was a Japanese girl. His father would never have received her unless she had been pure in her race. What was the reason behind this? That he knew about the nature of his father, that his father would not accept that girl if if she had not been of the same race, same caste की या same race की, उसी country को belong करने वाली होगी, तभी वो उसके father जो थे उससे agree करेंगे. And he knew about his strict nature, so he was very much careful about this, and he developed his relations or affairs with that girl only when he was sure that the girl belonged to Japan only. He wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Henna. And now, when he had got married, many times he used to think over like this idea that if he had not married this girl Henna, to whom he would have married, किससे marriage हुई होती अगर इस लड़की से ना होती तो, and by what luck he had found her in the most casual way, by chance literally. And then he considered himself very lucky that he met this girl by chance there. By chance literally means in the correct meaning of by chance, exactly as if it was only a chance that he had a meeting with this girl Hannah at an American professor's house. Where they met, please underline these very small points or the triple lines, because when you are going to get the MCQs part in the extract, you need to know all these points. That where they met at an American professor's house, underline कि किसके घर में मिले, वहां एक अमेरिकन प्रोफेसर के घर में जहां पर कि डॉक्टर सैडो रह रहे थे. He met him, he met Hannah there. The professor and his wife had been kind people, anxious to do something for their few foreign students, and the students, though bored, had accepted this kindness. And the professor and his wife, where Dr. Sado was living, they were very kind people and they were very anxious to do some help to these foreign students who were living there for their education. Though the students feel bored, they were very much bored while living there, had accepted this kindness. They were not happy to live there because there was also a reason given behind this, which we're going to read in the next lines. But the couple was very excited to help these people, these children who were there for their education. Sado had often told Hannah how nearly he had not gone to Professor Halle's house that night. And many times they discuss this meeting that if he had not gone to Professor Halle's house, underline the name of this professor, then they would not have met. There was reason why he did not want to live in that professor's house. The rooms were so small, the food so bad, the professor's wife so voluble. Note down the reasons why he was not willing to stay there in Professor Harley's house, because the rooms were very small, the food was bad, it was not good proper food, and his wife, professor's wife, was so voluble. Voluble means very talkative. She was very talkative and he did not like all this, so he did not want to live there. But he had gone, and there he had found Hannah, a new student, and had felt he would love her if it were at all possible. But he had to go there because there was a problem in America at that time. People were not getting accommodation, and moreover the people were not allowing the Japanese people to stay there. उनको allow नहीं करते थे, थोड़ा सा ये war की वजह से लोग इस चीज को avoid करते थे to give accommodation to the Japanese people. So he had to adjust there in the house of that professor, where though he did not want to, due to all these reasons, because the rooms were small, the food was not good, and even the professor's wife was very talkative, but he had to adjust there. And then he thought himself as a lucky person because he went in that professor's house, he stayed there, and he met this girl Hannah. He said he had felt that he would love her if it were at all possible. When he met Hannah, he felt liking for him and he wanted to fall in love, but condition was in his mind, thinking about his father's nature. He wanted to be sure that the girl was an girl belongs to Japan. Only then his father would accept him. So he tried to find out this realization first. He tried to find the identity of that girl, the race of that girl. Then he developed his relations. Now he felt her hand on his arm. Now come back to that same scene where they were when he entered into the room in the foggy, misty evening, and he felt that his wife was also standing in front of him, and they both exchanged their feelings of love to each other. And he felt and was aware of the pleasure it gave him, even though they had been married years enough to have the two children. That means they had been married since long, because at present they had two children also, but still they had that feeling of love for each other, for they had not married heedlessly in America, because they had not married heedlessly means carelessly, without taking care. हर चीज का उन्होंने ध्यान रखा. He thought about his parents also, he thought about his father's nature also. Very carefully he developed his relations. ये नहीं कि एकदम से उसको वो लड़की अच्छी लगी and he started having affair or feeling of love for that girl or proposing that girl. No, it was not like that. He developed his relations very carefully. They had finished their work at school and had come home to Japan. They both were very sincere towards their education, for which purpose they had gone there. So they finished their work at school and had come home to Japan, came back after their education to their own country. And when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. And when he reached there, he talked to his father. His father met the girl. He saw the girl, and then the marriage was arranged in a proper Japanese way. Although Sado and Hannah had talked everything over beforehand, though they met, they had already talked beforehand, but they were not taking any private liberty for that. They considered everything, they told everything to their parents, and proper arranged marriage was organized by their parents in the traditional Japanese way. They were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm. So at present, when they are standing together and sharing, exchanging their feelings of love to each other only through their actions and through their eyes, they are remembering about their past, or they met in America, or they developed their relations, or their marriage was arranged. It was at this moment that both of them saw uh, yes, we have reached to the next page, third page. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mist. And suddenly, when they both were standing near the shore of the sea outside their house, they noticed that something black was coming out of the mist. धुंध के बीच में कुछ उनको ब्लैक सा नजर आया समुद्र के बीच में आता हुआ. And
Dear students, wait for beta 1 or 2 minutes till ma'am joins again. She left the meeting in between due to some network issue. She'll be joining soon with us.